How to do affiliate marketing like a pro. Nowadays, the need for effective affiliate marketing plans is on the rise. The demand for programs and products lead to some very innovative marketing techniques. Now is your chance to find something that works for your business. Here are some tips that you can use to get you started with finding what you need. Your affiliate status might not benefit if you are offering only the most in-demand products on the internet. Popular and good don't always line up perfectly. Popularity also means oversaturation and an abundance of competition. You may find it difficult to make a profit. To make the most money on your affiliate marketing program, you should work with companies that offer a large selection of tools to help you build your business. Many companies have a number of different banners and text ads to pick from so that you can find ones that are more tailored to your website. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure that you present your information cleanly. You want to focus on the content and the advertising, not distracting your readers with other items to focus on. Ask yourself if you need each component and get rid of the ones that do not make you money. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include a home link on every page of your website. This is very important if you have many pages on your website because it can be very easy for visitors to get lost. A simple home link can direct visitors back to your home page. As you have read, there are many different ways to deal with affiliates and to have them work in favor of your business. You need to find the program that works for you. By following these tips, you are well on your way to improving your business's online presence through the use of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.